Good morning, all of you. The next topic will start in an application of a UCM. That is the third application, vehicle on a bank roads. The previous periods should be the study the vehicle on a bank road. A vehicle, that is the car, should be moving along a curved road surface at the radius r, and this vehicle, this car, which is moving in a curved road surface, they have to be created the some angle theta. The road should be the bank. The car is moving along a curve in these forms. Suppose consider, for example, a car, and that is the surface of the roads. The car should be moving along a curved road surface. That is, the angle must be created by the road. That is in these forms. The car should be moving along a curved road surface. The surface, the angle must be created. That is the higher limits in upper limits आपण त्या ठिकाणी म्हणू शकतो, and lower limits. Lower limits, that is the center. This, it is the directed toward the center. When a car is moving along a curved road, that is the circular forms. Therefore, the normal reaction of the components must be created. The centripetal force must be necessary on the car at the centers, and the car should be moving in this form. But the person, sitting of the person of the man, which is towards in the right, they have to be created by the centrifugal force. Centrifugal force, it is away from the center, which is acted upon the away from the center, and the centripetal force should be the necessary in the inside, that is the center. It is directed toward the center along the radius. Therefore, the car should be moving, and angle must be created in this way. This is the angles theta should be created. The car, which is moving in a curved roads, suppose a necessary, the figure in this of the forms, the curved road surface. It is the horizontal surface, that is the circular forms. But here a car which is created by the some bank, that is the theta. That is the upper limits and lower limits. The car which is moving in these roads, therefore the normal reaction, it is the perpendicular, that is the perpendicular to the direction. लंबरूप आपण त्या ठिकाणी म्हणू शकतो. एक प्रकारचं perpendicular to the direction when a car is moving in these forms. That is, the centripetal force should be the necessary in a direction, and the force should be the normal reaction. The normal reaction, it is must be divided in two components. Actually, a car should be moving in this type, but here means book of the figure shows the angle should be the created by the car in this type. That is, the car should be moving in a curve type. That is this angle theta, which is shown by the figure here at the book. The balance of a car in a vertical downward direction, that is the mg. The balance should be provided in a vertical downward direction, that is the mg. These of a forms. Actually, the first figure shows the bank road, which is the moving on a car. The normal reaction should be the divided by two components, n cos of theta, it is the vertically formed, and n sin of theta should be the horizontally formed. The angle must be created at the radius of a curvature, that is these centers must be produced by a radius of curvature, that is the centripetal force. It is acted upon the center, and balance, which is moving on a car, must be created in a vertical downward directions. Therefore, this bank road, it is the safety speed should be created. Obviously, the velocity in a set of the speed Vs is equal to the previous period should be the study by these points, the vehicle on a bank road when moving in a set speed. This bank road should be the three conditions must be necessary. Suppose a car which is moving along a set means a constant velocity, and second, this is the first condition, and second, the velocity should be the minimum on a car. Then the equation should be produced. The third conditions, the velocity should be the maximum. What is the equation? We have to be determined in these types. The three figures shows the vehicle which is moving along a curved road in a constant speed, set speed. They have to be created by some equations in a velocity by the safety speed. It is the under root of Rg into tan theta. Actually, the equation previous period should be the study. Then another figure shows, suppose a car should be the moving along a lower speed. This car which is moving along a lower speed, then a direction of a car which is also moving on a curved road, the normal reaction should be created by the car divided by two components. That is the vertically it is the n cos of theta, and downward to it is the balance provided by the mg. Then the car should be moving in a lower speed. Therefore, the force of fraction should be created. The fractionless force should be created. These are fractionless force which is provide in a upper direction. Because the car is moving on a curved road, the car which is does not move in a downward form. Then the fractionless force should be provided in a upper direction. These are direction, that is the fractionless force on a car which is provided in a upper direction. So these are direction of a fractionless force which is also divided by two components, that is fractionless force on a Fs into sine of theta, it is the vertically downward direction, and the F into S cos of theta, it is the horizontally direction. The sign convention must be necessary. This is the n sine of theta and Fs into cos of theta, that is the positively directions. The fractionless force should be the provided in a car, it is the positively. But car should be moving in a lower speed. That does not present on the fractionless force of the car which is the comeback toward the earth, means a lower in this direction, the center of the point. The car should be the collapse on the center, means move in a downward direction, has the speed which is the constant. The balance should be must be necessary on a car, the provided by the fractionless force. एखादी गाडी जर वळणावरून त्या ठिकाणी जात असेल तर त्या गाडीचा स्पीड जर लोअर असेल तर त्यावेळेस त्या ठिकाणी घर्षण बल क्रिया करीत असतं. ते घर्षण बल गाडीला वरती म्हणजेच अपवर्ड डायरेक्शनने त्या ठिकाणी खेचत असतं किंवा वरती त्या ठिकाणी एक प्रकारचं प्रोव्हाइड करीत असतं. नाहीतर ती गाडी एक प्रकारची डाऊनवर्ड डायरेक्शन मध्ये खाली आली असते. त्या ठिकाणी स्लोपच्या ठिकाणी ती गाडी डाऊनवर्ड डायरेक्शनने त्या ठिकाणी आली असते. फ्रॅक्शनलेस फोर्स त्या ठिकाणी अपवर्ड डायरेक्शनने त्या ठिकाणी क्रिया करीत असते. परंतु सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स त्या ठिकाणी सेंटरला डायरेक्शनने त्या ठिकाणी टुवर्ड्स होत असतं, क्रिया करीत असते. म्हणून या दोन्ही बलांचं त्या ठिकाणी एक प्रकारचं बॅलन्स साधण्याचं काम म्हणजे फ्रॅक्शनलेस फोर्स आणि स्पीड यांचं त्या ठिकाणी जर कॉम्बिनेशन जर नसतं तर वेग जर अधिक असेल आणि फ्रॅक्शनलेस फोर्स त्या ठिकाणी कमी असेल तर ती गाडी निश्चित खाली येऊ शकेल. जर लोअर स्पीड असेल, जर हायर स्पीड त्या ठिकाणी असेल, नेक्स्ट जी फिगर त्या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला दिसते आहे, व्हेन ए कार विच इज मूव्हिंग इन अप्पर स्पीड किंवा हायर स्पीड त्या ठिकाणी आपण म्हणू शकतो. अशा वेळेस त्या ठिकाणी त्या कारची जी काही डायरेक्शन आहे, गाडी विच इज मूव्हिंग अलॉंग ए कर्व रोड सरफेस but a speed should be maximum. The speed should be higher. But here also a fractionless force must be provided by the car, must be necessary on a car. These are fractionless force. The car should be moving in a higher speed. But the fractionless force provided in a downward direction in these forms, that is the fractionless force in the direction. This figure must be shows the car should be moving on a higher speed, that is the upper speed of the limit. The fractionless force should be the moving on a downward direction. Then this force also a normal reaction must be provided in a two components, n sin of theta and n cos of theta, that is divided by two components in a downward direction. Here the sign convention must be necessary. Vertically, that is the positive sign, and downward should be negative sign. In this way, positive direction and center which is towards by the negative direction. Therefore, the car should be moving in also a circular form. The centripetal force should be necessary. by the equation of the car which is moving on a lower speed. First, the safety speed, the under root of Rg into tan of theta. And second, we have to be the provide the equation V is a minimums. The velocity should be the minimums. Then the equation of the car which can be provides the balance of the force in a mg is equal to this force which is the downward directions. The equations should be the provides in a fractionless which is the downward directions in these forms. The fractionless force in a opposite to the reaction on a car. Car should be moving a lower speed which is the convex toward to the earth, but the fractionless toward to the upper surface. That is the positive directions. Therefore, the balance also must be necessary on a cars. This is the force which is the constant fractional less force and the centripetal force. Therefore, mg it is the balance on a car. फ्रॅक्शनलेस फोर्स म्हणजे घर्षण बल जर त्या ठिकाणी नसतं तर रोधाचं कार्य त्या ठिकाणी होऊ शकत नाही. जर रोध नसेल तर ती गाडी डाऊनवर्ड डायरेक्शनने एक प्रकारची खाली येईल. ते डाऊनवर्ड डायरेक्शनने त्या ठिकाणी कॉन्स्टंट ठेवण्याचं जे काही काम आहे ते काम हे फ्रॅक्शनलेस फोर्स त्या ठिकाणी करत असतं. लक्षात घ्या. The second figure shows the lower speed of a limits. The equation must be produced by the velocity should be the minimum on a cars. The weight, the balance, which is the downward direction, vertically downward direction. Therefore, the mg is equal to f into s sin of theta plus n cos of theta. That is the vertically downwards. The normal reaction must be divided by the two components, sin of theta into cos of theta. The sin theta must be provided by the centripetal force and n cos of theta must be provided by the vertically downward direction into mg is equal to mg. That is the balance by the cars. And second equation must be necessary. The mv square divided by r. The car should be moving on a curved road. The centripetal force should be necessary on a car. Then this is the centripetal force of the equation is mv square divided by r is equal to n sin of theta minus the force of fraction provided by fs into cos of theta. The force of fraction must be provided in an upper limits. The speed should be the lower limit. The force of fraction must be upper limits. That is the sign should be the convention in opposite direction. The car should be come back over to the center, but the force of fraction must be provided by upper. That is the equation second should be the created. Therefore, this equation 2 divided by equation 1. Equation 2 divided by equation 1 means mv square divided by r is equal to the centripetal force must be necessary on a cars. That is n sin of theta minus f into s cos of theta divided by the n into cos of theta minus yes, the normal reactions means n into cos of theta. The force of fraction that is inside in a positive directions. Therefore, force of fraction must be provided by upper limits and the balance should be provided by vertically, n cos of theta. Therefore, divided by mg, second equation, divide n sin of theta, mg is equal to first equations Fs force of fraction into sin of theta plus n cos of theta divided by n cos of theta plus n cos of theta. The normal reaction should be provided in a vertical direction, but the centripetal force should be necessary in a center. Therefore, this equation, the n sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to, here in this side, the mv square divided by r divided by mg. m should be the cut, then v square divided by rg is equal to n should be cut, sin theta divided by cos theta means tan theta minus force of fraction divided by normal reaction must be created by the coefficient of static fraction. The Fs divided by n is equal to mu. Mu means a force of static fraction should be the created. Therefore, sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta minus mu into Es cos theta divided by cos theta, then divided by force of fraction into sin of theta divided by n cos of theta should be created by mu into S sin theta divided by cos theta, that is the tan theta, plus n cos of theta divided by n cos of theta is equal to 1. The equation should be created by v square divided by rg is equal to tan theta minus mu s divided by mu s into tan theta plus 1. The velocity must be created by the minimum velocity. A car should be the lowest speed. Then the velocity should be the created by the car is a minimum. Therefore, v is equal to under root of r into g tan theta minus mu into s divided by mu s into tan theta plus 1. This is the equation 3 must be the produced. This is the velocity, it is the minimum velocity must be produced by the equation 3 should be the created when a car which is moving along a curved road is a lower speed, minimum speed, than the car which is moving along a higher speed. The next equation should be the produced. In this equation, the plus 1 must be changed in forms. Suppose the car which is moving along a maximum speed. Third equations. The third figure shows when a car which is moving along a curved road in a higher speed, that is the upper speed of the limits, the force of traction should be created on a downward direction. The vehicle should be moving along a higher speed, that is the upper limit. Then force of traction should be created in a downward direction. The normal reaction also divided by two components, sin theta divided by cos theta, and the also force of traction should be also divided by in a two component, sin theta into cos of theta, having the direction is a negative. Therefore, the equation first mg is equal to n cos of theta minus f into s sin of theta. That is the equation first. And the second equation, mv square divided by r is equal to the car which is a moving also a curved road, the centripetal force should be the necessary. The centripetal force must be provided on the car, that car which is moving along a curved road surface. Therefore, the centripetal force is mv square divided by r. The force of traction also divided into two components, that is the m sin of theta plus f into s cos of theta. And the equation 2 should be the created. Therefore, again divided by equation 2 by 1 means the velocity of maximum should be determined. The velocity of a maximum should be determined. Again equation 2 divided by equation 1 we get. Again equation 2 divided by equation 1 we get mv square divided by r divided by mg is equal to n sin of theta divided by n cos of theta minus f into s sin of theta divided by f into s sin of theta n sin of theta into s cos of theta, that is n sin of theta plus fs into cos of theta fs mv square here fs into cos of theta, that is the equation 2. mv square divided by r n sin of theta plus fs into cos of theta the normal reaction into again n cos of theta again divided by mg, again divided by mg. Therefore n cos of theta divided by n cos of theta minus Fs into cos of theta, Fs into sin of theta divided by n into cos of theta. Therefore again n sin of theta divided by n cos of theta, n should be cut, sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta plus Fs divided by n, that is also mu, cos theta that can cut with, plus mu divided by mu into S, that is the static fraction, coefficient of static fraction. Again n cos of theta divided by n cos of theta 1 minus Fs divided by n, again 1 minus coefficient of static fraction sin theta divided by cos theta means tan theta. Therefore here m should be cut, v square divided by mg. Again the equation, v square divided by rg is equal to tan theta plus mu s divided by 1 minus mu s into tan of theta, but velocity should be the determined. This velocity, it is the maximum. Therefore v maximum is equal to, maximum velocity must be determined, v maximum is equal to under root of rg in tan of theta plus mu into s divided by 1 minus mu s into tan theta. This is the equation 3. The velocity should be maximum into under root of rg into tan theta plus mu s divided by 1 minus mu s into tan of theta. These three equations should be created by the vehicle on a bank road. That is, the car should be moving along a bank road. The three conditions should be created. That is, the safety speed on a car. The car should be moving along a constant speed, means safety speed. The car should be moving along a minimum speed, and car should be moving along a maximum speed. The three equations should be provided. The three equations should be created. The vehicle moving along a